What up? Today's February 14th, 2013, and this is a Newegg PC build unboxing video. Tonight, I'm going to do a Thursday all-nighter video, and I'm going to build the PC on that build video, and I'll explain why I'm building a PC, and I'll explain why I chose different components. This video is just going to be the unboxing video. The PC's coming, everything was ordered from Newegg, the PC's coming in 4 packages. Yesterday 2 packages came, and then later today 2 more packages are coming. So you'll see when those packages come FedEx later today, you'll see them being unboxed. But I can't wait, so I'm going to go ahead and begin unboxing what came in. The top one was UPS, and the bottom one, the case, was FedEx. So here we go. A packaging slip, green paper, and first thing we have, pretty heavy, is an Antec 550 watt power supply. So for my needs, it's 80 plus certified, and for my needs, it's going to do what I need it to do. I know people at work were bragging to me about, oh, I have 1100 watt power supply, but I know it'll power when I need to be powered. And then second in the box is Intel Core i5 processor. It's a 3.4 gigahertz. It's the i5 3570K, and yeah, 3.4 gigahertz. And quad core. So, it doesn't say, let me see, processor. It doesn't say quad core on the box. So does it say quad core on the box at all? Intel Core. No, it doesn't. But I know it's quad core. So let's get to the big item, the PC case. I got the last PC I built in 2008, I got a Roswell. I didn't really like that PC case too much, but I don't want to spend a fortune on a PC case, so I got this Coolmaster half 922. It's a mid-tower. But I believe it's a mid-tower. It's definitely more humongous than the case I have now. Okay. Comes out in one piece. There it is. It's a pretty good looking case, you know, just all black standard case, and it should have red LEDs. And it has USB 3.0 in the front. So that's the unboxing part 1, and later today will be the rest of the unboxing. Okay, well, like I said, I was expecting 2 packages from FedEx. I've been here the whole entire time. No one ever knocked on my door. And I got an email from the apartment complex saying they had a package from FedEx from me. And it was only 1 package when I got there, and I told them, FedEx is supposed to come to your door first and then drop them off at the apartment the leasing office. But this guy is pulling a fast one. He delivered, he dropped off a whole bunch of packages there. And this one says delivered, and the FedEx tracking on the other one says it's still on the truck. So I don't know what's going on. But let's see what's in this one. Packaging list. Okay, we have 8 gigabytes, 8 gigabyte single stick of memory. It's a DDR3 1600. We have Samsung Pro SS solid state drive, 128 gigabytes. And last but certainly not least, I can't show you because it has serial numbers on it, but it's a Windows 7 professional CD. So the only thing I'm missing now, and I'm waiting for FedEx to deliver, is the motherboard, which is the most important, you know, the first thing that you start working with when you're building a PC. And once I get that, I'll start building it, which you'll see in another video. So when I come back, hopefully I'll be unboxing the motherboard. Well, it hasn't even been 5 minutes since the last video, and the FedEx guy just delivered this package. So hopefully this is the last and most important piece to start building this computer. Oh, packaging peanuts. Okay, it's a BioStar T-Series TZ77B motherboard. So that's it. That's everything I need to build my PC. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you watched the Thursday night all-nighter video. And watch me, you know, I'm so excited I can't even talk. Watch me build the PC. See ya.